Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your address in the Airbnb app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Airbnb app. And here it opens up in the Explore page where we have some offers and some suggestions. From here we have to tap on Profile in the bottom right corner, and then tap on Personal Information. And here as the fourth option we find Address, and here we can just add our address. Select the region, the street, the apartment or suite, it's optional, the city, the state, and then the zip code. And after we are done, we just tap on Save, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.